Sometimes iTunes not recognizing iPhone, which is frustrating. iTunes not detecting iPhone, which means you can't do anything. There could be many reasons behind this problem happening, but don't worry too much. Like most iTunes-related problems, there is a cure for this problem. Part 1. Why won't my iPhone connect to iTunes? Computers are not trusted. You need to trust this computer on your phone. For iTunes to recognize your iPhone, faulty USB port or data cable. iTunes is not the latest version. An outdated version of iTunes may not be compatible with your iPhone system. Part 2. What to do when iTunes doesn't recognize iPhone 9 fixes. Check for faulty hardware causing iTunes connection issues with your new iPhone. Use a genuine USB cable. Inspect for cable damage. Try an alternate cable. Ensure the port is clean. 2. Unlock iPhone and trust computer. Disconnect iPhone. Turn off computer. Restart and reconnect iPhone via lightning cable. Trust computer when prompted on iPhone. iPhone should now show in iTunes. 3. Restart iPhone and computer. Restarting your device is the most worthwhile thing to try when you encounter any issues. It can basically help to repair general system failures. 4. Update your iPhone and iTunes. Older iOS and iTunes versions may have some issues that cause iTunes not detecting iPhone. You can update iTunes and iOS to the latest version. Update iTunes. Open iTunes on your computer. Select Help from the menu bar. Select Check for updates. 5. Uninstall and reinstall iTunes. 6. Check and reinstall Apple's drivers. If iTunes on Windows doesn't recognize the iPhone, there's a good chance that there's a problem with Apple's Windows drivers. 7. Temporarily disable security software. 8. Reach out to Apple support. Part 3. How to back up iPhone to computer if iTunes doesn't recognize iPhone. If you have had enough of iTunes problems and want to look for an iTunes alternative, then we recommend Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Compared with iTunes, it provides more flexible functions to help you back up iOS devices. How to back up iPhone when iTunes not recognizing iPhone. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. Step 2. Scan and choose the files you want. Step 3. Start to back up your iPhone.